Hello, I'm Alison from Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery Company Limited. Do you know what advantages our machine parts processing has? Today, I'm going to show you our digital processing center. This is a Mazak 5-axis linkage machining center, which is widely used in aviation, aerospace, military, high-precision medical equipment, and other industries. 5-axis machining center has X, Y, Z, A, C 5-axis, X, Y, Z, and AC axis to form 5-axis linkage processing, good at space surface processing, shape processing, hollow processing, drilling, oblique hole, oblique cutting, and so on. In the production of our paper bag machine equipment, the 5-axis CNC machining center system is the only means to solve the processing of paper bag machine drum. Thank you for your attention. Next time, we will further introduce the other processing equipment of the digital machining center. See you.